Bird. Hello, friends. Today we're going to meet an animal that has wings and can fly high in the sky. Do you know what animal that is? That's right, birds. What is a bird? Birds are very special animals. They belong to the group of vertebrates, meaning they have a backbone, just like us humans. But what makes birds unique is that they have wings and feathers, covering their entire bodies. These feathers keep birds warm and allow them to fly. Key characteristics of birds: have wings. This is the most important thing. Bird wings are used for flying. Some birds can fly very high and far, while others can only fly low or even not at all, but these are rare. Have feathers. The entire body of a bird is covered in feathers. These feathers have many uses. Besides flying, feathers also regulate the bird's body temperature to keep it warm and protect its skin from water or sunlight. Bird feathers come in various colors. Some are bright and beautiful, while others have calm colors. Have a beak. Birds don't have teeth like us. Instead, they have a beak. The shape of a bird's beak varies depending on the type of food it eats. There are pointed beaks for catching insects, strong beaks for cracking seeds, flat beaks for filtering food and water, and many more. Have legs and claws. Birds have two legs that they use for walking, hopping, or perching on tree branches. Their legs are also equipped with strong claws for gripping food, branches, or even catching prey. Eggs. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. The mother bird will incubate her eggs until they hatch into cute baby birds. What's a bird's favorite food? Bird food varies depending on the species. Some birds like to eat seeds, like sunflower seeds, rice, or corn. Fruits, like bananas, papayas, or small berries. Flower nectar, sweet liquid from flowers. This is usually for tiny hummingbirds. Insects, like caterpillars, grasshoppers, or mosquitoes. Fish or other small animals. This is for predatory birds like eagles or owls. Where do birds live? Birds can be found almost anywhere in the world. They live in forests. Many birds live in tall trees, mountains. Some birds like the cold air in the mountains. Grasslands. Birds that like to eat insects usually live here. Near water, lakes, rivers, seas. Birds like ducks, storks, or pelicans like to find food in the water. Even in cities, you must often see sparrows or house sparrows around your house, right? All about birds, the amazing animals that can fly. 1. What is a bird? A bird is an animal that has feathers, a beak, and wings. Most birds can fly in the sky, but some cannot fly, like ostriches and penguins. Birds are warm-blooded animals and have backbones. They lay eggs to have babies. 2. What do birds look like? All birds have some things in common. Feathers cover their whole body, soft and colorful. Wings. Most birds use wings to fly. Beak or bill. Birds don't have teeth. Their beaks come in different shapes depending on what they eat. Feet. Some birds have strong claws for holding. Some have webbed feet for swimming. Eggs. Birds lay eggs and take care of them until they hatch. 3. Where do birds live? Birds live almost everywhere in the world. In trees, forests, mountains, or parks. Near rivers, beaches, or rice fields. In cities and villages, birds like pigeons and sparrows are common. They build nests using sticks, grass, or leaves to lay eggs and keep their babies safe. 4. What do birds eat? Different birds eat different things. Seeds and grains like sparrows and doves. Insects and worms like robins and blackbirds. Fish like storks and kingfishers. Nectar from flowers like hummingbirds. Some birds eat meat like eagles and owls. 5. Kinds of birds. There are thousands of bird species. Here are a few that kids often know. Pigeons live in cities and fly in flocks. Parrots colorful and can copy human words. Eagles big, strong birds with sharp eyes. Penguins can't fly, but swim very well in cold oceans. Ducks and swans can fly and swim in lakes and ponds. Sparrows, small birds you can see in gardens and rooftops. 6. What do birds like to do? Birds have many fun behaviors. Fly high in the sky, sing and chirp to talk or find a mate, build nests and protect their eggs, feed and care for their chicks. Some birds walk or hop on the ground. Some birds love to swim. 7. Why are birds important? Birds are helpful to nature and to us. They spread seeds to grow new plants. They eat insects that can harm crops. Their songs and colors make people happy. Some birds can be pets or trained helpers. 8. Fun facts about birds. Did you know? The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backward. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around. The ostrich is the biggest bird in the world but can't fly. Some birds fly thousands of kilometers when the seasons change. Summary: birds are beautiful, smart, and helpful animals. Some soar through the sky, others wade in water, and each one has its own way of living. By learning about birds, we learn how to care for nature too. Let's protect birds and their homes, so we can always enjoy their songs and colors in the world. Fun facts about birds. Can fly very high and far. Some types of birds, like storks or swans, can fly thousands of kilometers when migrating to find food or warmer places to live. This is called migration. Sing beautifully. Many birds have very melodious voices. They sing to attract mates or to mark their territory. Build nests before laying eggs. Male and female birds will work together to build a comfortable nest for their eggs and babies. Bird nests can be made of twigs, leaves, mud, or even string. Smallest bird in the world. The bee hummingbird from Cuba is the smallest bird in the world, no bigger than our thumb. Largest bird in the world. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Although it has wings, the ostrich cannot fly, but it can run very fast. Birds are an important part of our nature. They help spread plant seeds and control insect populations. We must always protect the environment so that birds can continue to live happily in their habitats. Are there any other animals you'd like to know about?
Thanks.